Hello viewers. Sorry. What is an exception? An exception is in an event program instructions. When when an error occurs. Hey viewers, today I am going to walk you through Java interview questions. Before we are going to start, please don't forget to subscribe and like. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language originally developed by Sun Microsystem, and Java runs on the variety of the platform such as Windows, Mac OS, and various versions of the Unix. What are the supported platforms by Java programming language? Java runs on the variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and various versions of the Unix and Linux like HP Unix, Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu, and CentreOS, and Sun Solaris, and Extra. Why Java is considered as a dynamic? It is designed to adapt to an evolving environment. Java program can carry extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and resolve access to the object on runtime. Define Java classes. A class is a template from which individual objects are created. A class can contain fields and methods to describe the behavior of the object. What do you mean by object? Object is a runtime entity and it is state to store in the field and behavior is shown in via methods. The method operates an object, internal states and serve the primary mechanism for the object to the object communication. What is local variable? The variable defined inside the method, constructor or blockers are called local variable. The variable will be declared and initialized within the method and it will be destroyed when the method has completed. What do you mean by constructor? Constructor gets invoked when a new object is created. Every class has constructor. If you do not explicitly write a constructor for a class, in the Java compiler builds a default constructor for that class. What is an exception? An exception is an event which occurs during the execution of a program that disturbs the normal flow of the program instructions. When an error occurs within the method creates an object and hand it off to the runtime system. Define inheritance. It is a process where one object acquires the property of another. With the use of inheritance, the information is made manageable in a hierarchical order. What is abstract class? The class cannot be instantiated and or either partially implemented or not at all implemented. This class contains one or more abstract methods which are simply method declaration without a body. Explain set interface. It is a collection of elements which cannot contain the duplicate elements. A set interface contains only methods inherited from the collection and add the restriction that duplicates elements are prohibited. Why is a string buffer called mutable? The string class is considered as a immutable so that once it is created as a string object cannot be changed. If there is a necessity to make a lot of modification to the string of the characters, then string buffer should be used. Explain garbage collection in Java. It uses garbage collection to free the memory by cleaning those objects that is no longer referenced by any of the program. What is jar file? Jar file is a Java archive file and it is aggregate many files into one. It holds the Java classes in a library. Jar files are built on zip file format and have .jar file extension. Define package in Java. A package can be defined as a group of related types such as classes, interface, enumeration, and annotation, providing access to protection and namespace management. Thank you for watching Java interview questions. If you have any queries or concern, comment below.